Hello my friends, this is the beginning of March 2016 and I'm paddling the Myakka River in southern Florida. I'm paddling with a kayak group called the Venice Lemon Bay Kayakers. It's a Saturday morning and we hope to catch some gators sunning on the shoreline. The Myakka River is still a pretty wild river and we're never disappointed with seeing wildlife. I guess you guys scared that alligator. Well, he's probably looking for the bird on that paddle. This gator I got pretty close to and it turned and came in the water swimming straight at me really fast. And I have these bird inlays on my paddle and I thought I was sporting a gator lure on those paddles, so I got out of there really quick. Well, I'm trying to zoom in, but I'm shooting. Oh, there it goes. It's zooming in. I got my movie camera running. It says I love sassafras. Yeah, Dwayne, you go up there again. Here he comes. Hey. Yeah, at least now his head's going the other way instead of at me. Dwayne, why don't you go over there and paddle him this way so I get a better shot.
I'll go over and pat his head. He likes wood. Where's he going to go? Woody gave.
He's probably looking for me. Here's another gator. He looks like he might have dinner right there on the other end of that log.
Yeah, that's exactly what they're doing now. Trying to figure out how to get out of this situation. See, 3 or 4 times. Same stuff. Are they real? No, mechanical. They catch them from Disney World and Disney History with them. And they bring them in every night, charge the battery. You're about to have turtle dinner?
It looks like it. He looks like he's posed there, but he probably a snack for later. Got your camera on? See how close you can get before he goes in. Or don't you want him to poke up at you? One of the kayakers said to me today, aren't you afraid to get too close to those alligators when they go in the water, that they will come poke up at you? And I says, well, if they poked up at me, I probably would be afraid to be too close to them. This is one-handed videotaping. Not paying much attention to us. Must be sleeping. I'm trying to steer and paddle the kayak with one hand and videotape with the other hand. And it's a little rough, a little bit shaky, but we're doing it. The current's pushing me into him. Paddling, there he went. Paddling and videotaping. And there was his meal for later. I'm paddling a 17-foot kayak and I got pretty close to this gator and he was nearly the length of my kayak. Not quite, but pretty close. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.